Hello friends, welcome to my channel Technical Education to solve technical problems. Today we are going to learn about 8-pin timer. That is a digital timer, 8-pin. It has three options, one seconds, second option is of minute, and third is hours. You can set all these options separately. If we set it on 10 hours, it will trip after 10 hours. Or switch the load after 10 hours. If we set it on minutes, it will run for 10 minutes. And next reading, we can adjust seconds, 10 minutes and 10 seconds. It will shift the load after 10 minutes and 10 seconds. Similarly, you can use it for seconds. If we set it on seconds, it will trip after 10 seconds. Now let's test it, how it works. Here you can see it is giving us current on normally closed points. When we turn it on, or we give it 220 volts, it will start its time, and after 10 seconds it will shift the current to the normally open point. This is normally open point and that is normally close. Similarly, on the other side, we can check it. Here you can see when the timer is off, not energized, it's giving current on normally closed point, and we turn it on, it will shift the current after 10 seconds. The time is up, you can hear the clicking sound and the load of the current is shifted to this side. These timers are used in ATS panels, control panels, and also in star delta motors. To shift from star to delta, you need a timer. You can install this timer. This is very simple to install, very easy to set. Its setting is very simple. Now it's set on 10 seconds. You can increase from this plus button, increase the time, and to decrease the time, the minus button is given on the upper side, plus button is given on the lower side. And from central button, you can switch from seconds to minute and minute to hours. These are the three options in this timer. Very easy to use, very easy to install. If you have any question about this timer, you can ask in comments. These 2 points are common, as I have told you in previous video on relay, and these two are normally closed points. These 2 points are normally closed. These 2 points on the sides are normally open. And if you want to see the numbering, I can show you the numbering on this timer. Here you can see number 2, 1, number 8, number 7, number 6, number 5, number 4, and number 3. These are the 8 points. Number 8 is common with 5 and 6, and number 1 is common with 3 and 4. 1 will shift the current on 3 when the time is up, and 8 will shift the current on to 6 when the time is up. Very simple to install and very easy to install. Thanks for watching this video.